is Raj Kishore, and everyone please subscribe Raj Kishore Board Classes channel. And every day I uploaded class 8 to class 9, class 10, class 11, and class 12. All class I uploaded this channel. And who are not subscribed, please subscribe it. And this video is very important for class 8. And I bought class 8 of latest model of model paper. You can see your session timing is 2025 to 2026. It is latest model papers. And here written is class 8 and subject English and time 1 hour and full mark 50. Read the unseen passage given below and answer the question that follow. Question number 1 to 10. इट मीन्स यहाँ पर लिखा गया है कि यह कुछ पासेज है, मतलब कुछ पैराग्राफ जैसे है गद्यांश, जिसे हम लोग हिंदी में जिस तरह देखे थे गद्यांश रहते हैं, उसी से पढ़कर हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्व करते थे, उसी तरह यहाँ पर भी दिया गया है। ये पैसेज को अगर अच्छा से आप अगर पढ़ते हैं केयरफुली, तो आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेकर 10 तक का आंसर इसी में दिया गया है, इसी पैराग्राफ में दिया गया है। तो चलो देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। What can be inferred about the park before the volunteers arrive? इसमें कुछ क्वेश्चन है, इसमें पूछा गया है कि what can be interpreted about the park before the volunteer arrive? Option A, it was well maintained and popular. Option B, it was completely abandoned. Option C, it was used for community event regularly. Option D, it had lost its appeal but still held some beauty. Yes, here is your correct answer is option D. Question number 2. Which word best describe the initial condition of the park? Option A, vibrant. Option B, neglected. Option C, inviting. Option D, enhancing. Correct answer is neglected. Question number 3. What motivated the volunteers to restore the park? Option A desire for personal recognition. recognition. Option B, a wish to improve their community. Option C, pressure from local authorities. Option D, a competitions among friends. इसका सही आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, प्रेशर फ्रॉम लोकल अथॉरिटीज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। व्हाट डज rekind led in the second paragraph suggest about community spirit? Option A, it was lost forever. Option B, it was temporarily strong. It was Option C, it was revived after being demines had. Option D, it never excited before. Correct answer is option C. It was revived after being diamonds. Question number 5. Which of the following phrases indicates that the volunteers were committed to their task? Option A, armed with gardening tools. Option B, their laughter echoed. Option C, work tirelessly. Option D, the air was filled with joy. Correct answer is option C, work tirelessly. Question number 6. What grammatical error is present in this sentence? From the passage, the playground equipment lay rusted and broken. Option A incorrect. Incorrect. Verb tense. Option B misplaced modifier. Option C subject verb agreement error. Option D no error. Correct answer is option D no error. Question number 7. Which of these is an example of imagery from the passage? Option A. Tall trees provided shade. Option B. The park began to transform. Option C. Families gathered of picnic. Option D. Weed grew rampant. Correct answer is tall trees provide shade. Question number 8. How did the transformation of the park affect local families? Option A. They become more isolated. Option B. They started avoiding outdoor activities. Option C. They began to engage in community activities again. Option D. They moved away from the area. Correct answer is option C. They began to engage in community activity again. Question number 9. What does dilapidated mean in the context of this passage? Newly built. Option B. In good condition. Option C. Falling apart or in disrepair. Option D. Brightly colored. Correct answer is option C. Falling apart in or in disrepair. Question number 10. Which sentence best summarizes the main idea of this passage? Option A. Parks are important for children's play. Option B. Community efforts can restore neglect space and revive spirit. Option C. Volunteers are always needed in city. Option D. Nature can thrive without human intervention. Correct answer is option B. Community effort can restore neglect space and revive spirit. Second point here. Read the question given below and answer the question that follow by choosing the correct option for each. Question number 11 to 25. Which of the following sentence is grammatically correct? यहाँ पर पूछा गया है कि कौन सा सेंटेंस जो वाक्य है जो ग्रामेटिकल में ग्रामर में वो सही है। ऑप्शन ए द टीचर along with her student were excited about the trip. Each of the students have completed their homework. Neither the car nor the dog are playing outside. Option D everyone in the class have submitted their project. Option C is correct. What is the purpose of a topic sentence in a paragraph? What is the purpose of a topic sentence in a paragraph? To option A to provide a conclusion. Option B to introduce the main idea of the paragraph. Option C to add unnecessary details. Option D to summarize the entire EG. Correct answer is option B to introduce the main idea of the paragraph. Question number 13. Which of the following is an example of a smile? Option A, the wind hold like a hook. The option B, the wind howled figuratively. Option C, the wind was a figuratively beast. Option D, the wind howled all night long. Correct answer is A. The wind howled like a wolf. Wolf. Question number 14. When writing a formal letter, which of the following should be included in the closing? Your truly, best wishes, see you soon, cheers. ये आप जब लिखते हैं राइटिंग कोई लेटर फॉर्मल लेटर तो आप कौन सा जो फॉलोइंग शुड बी इंक्लूड इन द क्लोजिंग मतलब जब लास्ट में आप क्या लिखते हैं 14 नंबर क्या होना चाहिए योर ट्रूली आपका विश्वासी Which of the following transition is best used to show contrast between two ideas? Furthermore, similarly, however, in addition. Correct answer is option C, however. Question number 16. Which of the following sentence is in the active voice? Option A. The book was read by Maria. Option B. The cake was baked by my mother. Option C. Maria read the book. Option D. The homework was completed by the student. Correct answer. Maria read the book. Question number 70. Identify the part of speech for the underlined word in the sentence. She quickly ran to catch the bus. Option A, noun. Option B, adverb. Option C, adjective. Option D, verb. Option B, adverb. Correct answer is B. Question number 18, which of the following sentence is in the past perfect tense? Option A, she has finished her homework. They had left before I arrived. Option C, he is playing football. Option D, I will go to the store. इसमें आपको पूछा गया है which of the following sentence is in the past perfect tense. ये past perfect tense क्या है? कौन सा इसमें सेंटेंस है जो past perfect tense में लिखा गया है? तो इसका सही आंसर क्या होगा? B. They had left before I arrived. Question number 19. What type of clause is underlined in the sentence? The book that you lent me was fascinating. Option A, independent clauses. Option B, dependent clauses. Option C, main clauses. Option D, relative clauses. Correct answer is option D, relative clause. Question number 20. Which of the following sentence contains an infinitive? Option A, she loves to dance. Option B, he runs every morning. Option C, they are studying for exam. Option D, the dog bark loudly. Your correct answer is option A. She loves to dance. Question number 21. In indirect speech, which of the following change would be correct. Option A, I am going, he said, and he said that he was going. Option B, she will come, he said that she would come. Option C, they are playing, she said that they were playing. Option D, all of the above are correct. Correct answer is D. All of above are correct. Question number 25. Which of the following sentence correctly uses a conjunction? Option A, I wanted to go for a walk, but it started raining. Option B, she likes tea, she doesn't like coffee. Option C, he is tall and he plays basketball. Option D, neither John or Sarah attended the meeting. Correct answer is option A. I wanted to go for a walk, but it started raining. Question number 23. What is the correct form of the verb in this sentence if I blank B you I would study harder? Option A was, option B were, option C am, option B, option D B. Option B were. Question number 24. Which sentence correctly uses a semicolon? I have, option A, I have a big test tomorrow. I can't go out tonight. Option B, she loves reading and writing stories. Option C, it is raining. However, we will go for a walk. Option D, my brother is studying. He wants to pass his exam. Correct answer is option A. I have a big test tomorrow. I can't go out tonight. Question number 25. Identify the type of sentence. Although it was raining, we decided to go hiking. Option A, simple sentence. Option B, compound sentence. Option C, complex sentence. And option D, compound complex sentence. Your correct answer is option C, complex sentence. H is third parts. Read the question below and answer the question that follow by choosing the correct option for each. यहाँ पर लिखा गया है कुछ क्वेश्चन है उसको चूज करके 26 से 50 तक आपको चूज करके लिखना है। ये आपका बुक से लिया गया है। तो चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं बिना टाइम को गवाए क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत ही कम टाइम है और एग्जाम आपका 2 मार्च है। इसीलिए वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखिए अगर आप अच्छा रिजल्ट लाना चाहते हैं। और एग्जाम में बहुत ही हार्ड क्वेश्चन रहते हैं इसीलिए हम बार बार कहना चाहते हैं कि वीडियो को स्किप ना करें, शुरू से देखिए। 80 से 100% क्वेश्चन आपको एग्जाम में यही देखने को मिलेंगे। पिछले साल जो भी एग्जाम हुए थे, जो बोर्ड एग्जाम जो मॉडल पेपर से पढ़ाई गई थी, 100% फंसे थे। तो इस बार भी चांस है फंसेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26। व्हाट वाज रेप अराउंड ए palmyra beam on the roof? A cat, a rat, a snake, a leopard. Correct answer is option C, snake. Question number 27. One who sells sweets toffee, it is known as option A florist, option B grocer, option C lawyer, option D confectioner. Correct answer is confectioner. Question number 28. An organized journey with a particular purpose is known as blizzards, option B avalanches, option C expedition, option D passes. Correct answer is expedition. Question number 29. The woods are lovely, blank and deep. A dense, A bushy, C green, D dark. Correct answer is dark. Option D dark. Question number 30. Who caught the snake? A teacher, B Kali, C student, D principal. Option B Kali. Question number 31. Who was Lance Naik? Hanumant, Happa, Kopar. Option A soldier who survived massive avalanche. Option B a soldier who failed the massive avalanche. Option C a soldier who died in the avalanche. Option D a soldier who got lost in the avalanche. Option correct answer is option A soldier who survived massive avalanche. Question number 32. What is meant by miniature? A big, A B, option B small, option C short, option D long. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी। इसमें कहा गया है कि जो है मिनिचर का मीनिंग क्या है स्मॉल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 व्हाई डज द shepherd wear the abbot gown and cap option A to disguise himself as the abbot option B he doesn't have clothes option C he likes his gown option D he wanted to become abbot your correct answer is option A the to disguise himself to as the abbot. Question number 34. What did Severan Suzuki start at the age of 9? Option A UN Earth Summit. Option B the Environmental Children's Organizations. Option C Animal Farm. Option D Wildlife Sanctuary. Correct answer is option B the Environmental Children's Organizations. Question number 35. Hari recalled the restaurants of his village Thul and compared them with the Sri Krishna eating house. What does Hari's comparisons of the Sri Krishna eating house to the restaurant in the reveal about his character? Option A. He is indifferent to his surroundings. Option B. He has a romantic view of his past. Option C, he is critical of the poor condition. And option D, he feels ashamed of his background. Correct answer is option B. He has a romantic view of his past. Question number 36. I have no money to pay for this food you are giving me. Will you please let me work here? Why did Hari choose to work at the Sri Krishna eating house instead of seeking another job? Option A, he was forced by circumstance. Option B, he wanted to earn money for food and shelter. Option C, he had no other option available. Option D, he felt a connection with the owner. Correct answer is option B. He wanted to earn money for food and shelter. Question number 37. What did the baby eat? Option A, chip. Option B, driver. Option C, microchip. Option D, bug. Your correct answer is microchip. Option C. Question number 38. Rupesh interrupted his father. No, Papa, I don't waste my time. I use Google to find answers quickly. How does Rupesh's attitude towards technology reflect the generations divide in the chapter? Option A. He believes technology is a distraction from learning. Option B. He embraced technology as a tool for a knowledge. Option C. He feels overwhelmed by the amount of information available. Option D. He thinks technology should be used sparingly. Correct answer is option B. He embraced technology as a tool for knowledge. Question number 39. His father worries that relying on Google might hinder Rupesh' ability to think independently. What concern does Rupesh's father express about the use of Google information? Option A. It prompts laziness among students. Option B. It provides incorrect information frequency. Option C. It limits critical thinking skills. And option D. It is too time consuming to use. Your correct answer is option C. It limits critical thinking skills. Question number 40. The poet emphasized the cruel damage caused by deforest, deforestation at the hands of man, suggesting that trees are our heritage. What does the poet imply about the relationship between human and trees in the poem? Option A. Humans have always protected trees. Option B. Trees are merely resources for human use. Option C. Humans have a responsibility to care of trees. Option D. Trees are irrelevant to human existence. Correct answer is option C. Humans have a responsibility to care for trees. Question number 41. Word and phrase like multilated lectures and their escape and scarce defi repair convey the pain inflicted on trees. How does the poet's use of vivid imagery enhance the theme of the poem? Option A. It distracts from the main message. Option B. It creates a sense of beauty in distraction. Option C. It simplifies complex idea about nature. Option D. It evokes empathy for the suffering trees. Correct answer is option D. Question number 42. Sneha rules for a new religion include the belief that the sun gives us energy and the earth sustains us. What does Sneha purpose as a fundamental belief in her new religion? Option A. The importance of technology in daily life. Option B. The sun is our father and the earth is our mother. Option C. A religion should be merged into one. Option D. Wealth is the measure of person worth. The correct answer is option B. Question number 43. Preksha admire how Sneha thought linked spiritually spirituality with the natural world around them. How does Preksha's perspective on Sneha ideas reflect her own belief? Option A. She believed that Sneha ideas are too simplistic. Option C. She finds inspiration in Sneha connection to nature. Option D. She thinks that religion should focus on rituals. Correct answer is option C. Question number 44. He crawls behind the sofa and imagines the place to be a hunter's camp. What does the child imagine while crawling behind the sofa? Option A. Magical castle filled with treasure. Option B. Hunter camp in the wilderness. Option C. A bustling city with people. Option D. A quiet library full of books. Correct answer is option B. A hunter camp in the wilderness. Question number 45. He imagines hills and wood and roaring lions that comes to the river bank to drink water. How does the child feel about the stories he read? Option A. Indifference and uninterested. Option B. Frightened and anxious. Option C. Excited and adventurous. Option D. Confused and overwhelmed. Correct answer is option C. Excited and adventurous. Question number 46. The emperor believed that one man's death is better than a million people potentially dying as a result of his invasion. What moral dilemma does the story present regarding innovation and safety? Option A. Innovations should always be encouraged regardless of consequence. Option B. Safety must sometimes come at the cost of creativity. Option C. All innovations are inherently dangerous or should be banned. Option D. People should not fear progress but embrace it fully. Correct answer is option B. Safety must sometimes come at the cost creativity. Question number 47. Who is the say that someday just such a man in just such an apparatus blank might not fly in the sky and drop hug stones upon the Great Wall of China? Why does the emperor decide to execute the flying man? Option A. He believed the flying machine is too beautiful to exit. Option B. He fears the potential destruction it could cause. Option C. He is jealous of the main invasion. Option D. He thinks it will bring shame to his empire. Correct answer is option B. Question number 48. What have I done? Cried the fire, bewildered. How does the flying man feel about his invention when confronted by the emperor? Option A, proud and confident in its potential. Option B, fearful of what might happen to him. And option C, indifferent to its significance. And option D, confused and bewildered. Correct answer is D, confused and bewildered. Question number 49. What does the poem Bharat Our Land primarily celebrate? Option A, the technological advancements of India. Option B, the cultural diversity and beauty of India. And option C, the historical event in Indian history. And option D, the economic development of the country. The correct answer is option B, the cultural diversity and beauty of India. And last question, and your question number is 50. And how does the poet describe the natural beauty of India in the poem? Option A, as diverse and vibrant, and option B, as harsh and unforgiving, and option C, as monotonous and dull. Option D, as chaotic and unorganized. Your correct answer is option A, as diverse and vibrant. Thank you for watching last, and this is very important question for class 8 and your latest model paper. And थैंक यू, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद लास्ट तक देखने के लिए। और आप लोग देख सकते हैं ये क्लास 8 क्लास का जो हम आज लेटेस्ट मॉडल पेपर जो है 2025-26 जो आया है, जो 2 मार्च को एग्जाम होने वाले हैं 2026 में। तो इससे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन रहते हैं, इसीलिए वीडियो देखना ना भूलें। और वीडियो को अच्छा लगे तो लाइव सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना ना भूलें। जय हिंद दोस्तों, थैंक यू, बाय बाय।